What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today, man, from a lovely 2002 Buick Century. Holy smokes, this thing is nice. Only 110,000 miles. Trade in at the Buick store. Just, oh man, this thing is so clean, guys. Such a beautiful car. I'll get out here and show y'all a little walk around of it. It is really a neat rig. Man, traded in with a full tank of gas too. Oh wait, look at that temp gauge. That cannot be right. Surely this thing's not running hot. Surely not. Come on, really? This thing sounds and runs so good. Let's do a quick walk around before it overheats. Huh. I mean, that thing is almost pegged out at the red. Look how nice this thing is. Got brand new freaking Falcon tires on it. Not beat up. No, I'm sorry, it's an 03 with 110,000. Nice car, man. I mean, doesn't smell hot or feel hot. What's our... Have any decks cool in here? I don't know. Well, everything feels okay under here. But who knows, man? Runs good. Look how clean this thing is. Traded in right back to the same dealership it was bought from new. Interior is mint. Yeah, this thing's pegged out on the heat meter. Holy smokes. I better get it back to its parking spot. I think I know why they may have traded it in now. Golly. Oh, this stinks. Because it sounds good and it feels good. But dang, it's about to burn up. Unbelievable. Oh yeah, there's a temp light. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna find this thing its home. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I was gonna take her down the test track, but not now. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.